I'll throw stream transformation exception with message, file name, error in writing file name. So our Java mapping program is ready. Now we are going to export this. We'll export the jar file without. Okay, I think there is an error which still exists in the file, so I'll remove this new keyword, and now the errors are gone. Now I can export this file. Exported jar file, and I'll keep these checkboxes checked and remove this file name. Jar, finish. So my jar is ready. Now I'll go in ESR and create two objects. New first object will be, okay, so first I'll create, create operation mapping. Java mapping. And second will be imported archive. Okay, so here I'm going to import my file. Okay, I did not check out these two boxes while exporting a file, so let me try it once more. Export. I need to uncheck these two boxes. Finish. Already, yes. Now I'll go back to export these two files, and yes, so now we have two files, that is class and the source code. I'm going to save it and activate. So I'll activate everything. In the operation mapping, I'll give the service interface names. So operation mapping binds your service interfaces. Change it to Java class. I have this Java class file, and I'm going to save it, activate it. Now I'll go to ICO, go back to ICO. Here I need to include my operation mapping. I'll take the operation mapping class name. In the COM channel, the receiver interfaces, we have everything here. Receiver side, yes. So now I'm saving this and activating. So change list is saved now. Now we can go to message monitoring, go to channel monitoring, stop and start my channel so that new file gets processed. So I'll stop my channel and start and refresh the logs. Okay, I'll go out. I'll take the resync message. Open it. If you can see, so these are the steps. This is the after mapping step. And if you can see the logs in the message log, you'll be able to see that my operation mapping program has run. So this is operation mapping program, and in the payload you can see the file name is written. So the output payload has only this, whereas the input payload has this content. So this is how Java mapping works, and we can add more complexity in the Java mapping program as much as you like and as per your need. And in future videos I'll be explaining you what else can we do with Java mapping. Thank you.